In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our CapCut. You can do this on your Android or iPhone as I do now, it doesn't matter because the navigation is quite the same. After that, we can just create a new project, or maybe you had the existing one. Then all we need is just to select the necessary video we want to edit. For example, let's try to edit something like this. So let's delete the last part of the video with CapCut add. And after that, all we need to delete our noise of video, we can just click on it right up here. The first way we can do is just to click on volume here and try to reduce volume for some percent to make it like not that high in volume. And the next step is the easiest one, is just to choose video on the timeline. So just click on it, the white border will appear. And then in the menu on the bottom of the screen, just scroll to the right side to find something which is called like reduce noise right up here. So this option is right on the center. So just click on it and then just turn this function on. And as you can see, noise reduction is in process. So now we can just click on OK in the right bottom corner. And in a few seconds, the whole video will be processed and the noise will be successfully deleted from our video. It works not that good as I want, but still that's so good. So this is a way how you can do this on your video. I hope guys this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. Goodbye.